Hi, this is Hugh Terry, the founder of the Digital Insurer. Digital Insurance in Action is our ongoing program to report on digital insurance initiatives and innovations around the world. It's sponsored by KPMG. In this short InView video cast, we're going to have a look at a life insurance aggregator from Australia that's called LifeBroker. And I think there's some interesting learning points around customer experience management from this video cast. So let's get straight into it and go into the slides. So LifeBroker was founded in 2004, and it was Australia's first online life broker and did evolve into one of the largest. Most of its distribution was done direct and online. However, it did have a number of mortgage brokers as partners, and it also did some integration work with other price comparison sites. It was founded by a guy called Chris Eade, and he sold that business in 2013. And at that time, it had approximately 30,000 customers. It was purchased by TAL, which is the second largest life insurer in Australia, and in itself, that organisation is owned by Dai-ichi Life in Japan. I think, as I said earlier, I think what's attractive about this is its approach to customer experience management, and you'll see a quite interesting using of callback and call-in services, and I think that was one of the factors behind its success. It's also one of many examples where insurers are realizing that unless they take stakes in distribution businesses, there's a chance they will end up just as the manufacturer of the product. And obviously, as the manufacturer, they will have their profit margins potentially squeezed. So here we've got TAL and Dai-ichi Life basically taking a stake in a life insurance aggregator and providing quotations from their competitors as well. So looking at some of the screenshots itself, you'll see the panel in the middle is the data entry process to get the quotation. There's two of these screenshots. As you can see, it looks fairly simple and straightforward, mobile optimized process. Then once you've done that, there's a very clear exchange where you give your contact information to be able to complete the quote. I prefer this to the process where you have the email asked for and requested right up front. I think that's a little bit too much in your face, but the best process, and LifeBroker don't do this, is where you actually show the price without asking for the contact information. LifeBroker's got a good sort of presentation of the price comparisons. They have two methods, price option and benefit option. You'll see the price option on the left-hand side at the bottom and the benefit option on the right-hand side. It also has a testimonial-driven approach, which is good. So they've got happy customers. They put those customers online, and that helps to give customers confidence in the buying process. As I said, I think one of the most interesting things is their use of call-in or call-back. So effectively, once you've got the price, the next step they offer is either a callback or for the customer to call in. And what they're really doing is recognizing the complexity of standard life insurance policies and the amount of data that does need to be collected for an underwriting process. So in many cases, it's easier for the customer to do that via a call rather than to type it in themselves. And if you go to the Digital Insurer site, you'll see there's an interview with Chris Eade that was done a couple of years ago. And in that interview, he shared that 80% of their business is basically done through calls, and only 20% is done through a 100% online process. I like the way that LifeBroker deliver their emails. They deliver a nice guide with that email, which contains all of the price comparison information, and it has really nice links inside it that take you back to the website to review the quotation. And also, if you want, you can execute online as well. Bottom right-hand side, you'll kind of get an idea of the complexity of that online process as well. So I'm really not surprised that with the current paradigm and design of products, people are choosing to call in on that most times to fulfill on a policy. So that's it on this InView. I hope you've liked it. If you have, do have a look around. There are others available online, and do consider joining us in one of our regular webinars where we discuss a theme and a topic, and we bring together a group of professionals to really have a good discussion on digital insurance. The Digital Insurer is only able to provide free content to you because of the generous support of its sponsors who use our services. And lastly, if you know of or are involved in great examples of digital innovation in insurance, then please do share them with us, and you can contact me directly at the email address that's shown at the top of this slide. Thank you very much.